We are here in Cyprus, one of the most beautiful destinations on this planet, and we are fortunate enough to be here until May. Let's see what this beautiful place has in store for us. Hello and welcome back to the Northern Fort On Tour YouTube channel once again. Today, unfortunately, I won't be in the video too much as I'm working remotely, but Steph, Isaac and baby Amaia have been invited into a Cypriot home. The other day we went for some food as a family and we got speaking to this family from Cyprus who said, why don't you come to our home and check out all the animals we have. They've said they've got a miniature zoo at home, so these guys are going to go and check it out. She's even been kind enough to come and pick them up. It's a few minutes to 11 o'clock, so let's get into it.
Woo! Let's go! We're very well, how are you? We're on our way to the zoo. Hello, Kiara. Hiya. Say hi, babies.
It's the best time to be here, September, October. Beginning of September is still hot. After middle of September is beautiful.
Oh, amazing.
The sea is very warm.
Oh,
It's very warm up to the end of October. It's not crowded like the high season, you know, like June, July, August. Those, especially July, August, is like extremely hot.
It gets like 50 degrees.
Not 50, but every day 40s.
Oh,
Yes.
we'd be lucky to have 30s in the UK.
Yeah, no.
Have arrived, Isaac. Are you excited?
Oh, this is Kyriakos. Kyriakos.
Hello, Kitty. Isaac. Hi.
Hi, she's very sweet, yes. They are all rescue, you know, and bottle fitting, yes.
So it's a Cyprus cat?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cyprus cat, Isaac.
Yes, there is a secret door. He's excited. Say hello. This is Harriet.
Can I touch her?
Yes, of course. Harriet, she's 18.
18.
And Harry, he's 22. They are both rescue turtles. This is a couple. This is a mom, Dracuna. She bites a lot, that's why I'm calling her Dracuna. And the dad,
She bites.
this is Cuckoo. You love them very much.
Oh, he has his own swing.
No,
This is beautiful.
Go out, Ella.
This is wow.
Go out. They want to play. Yes.
This is stunning.
Yes, I love decoration. This is for Easter.
I love it.
Yes, and big.
Shh, go very quiet, Isaac. Let's go very quiet.
Hey, Leona. Hello. She's Angiras. She has a blue and gold eye.
Wow.
Yeah, I found her also as a baby. Yeah. Leona. She's deaf. She can't hear. They are more.
Oh my God. There's cats in the
They're
drawer.
twins. Yes, they're twins.
There's cats in
Yes, it's their. They are the twins boys.
Oh, wow.
This is Glikoulis, means very sweet. And this is Grignaris, the one who's complaining all the time. They don't know you, that's why.
Stroke that.
Ella, Grignari, El. They love you. Hey.
Hello, beautiful.
Stroke her. Can I stroke her?
Yes.
Oh, so fluffy.
Hi, Kitty.
Yes.
Where's it going?
They are more, but they are under. There is a blind, a
Okay.
half blind, neurological, another one who has another white who has a big hernia operation. But because they don't know you, they went under the bed.
That's okay. So you're gonna feed them?
Yes. This is
It's
it's
okay.
Sweet.
they eat only fruits. You know, they don't
okay.
eat this kind of carrot. So you can smell it. It smells so beautiful.
It's like fruit. It's
Yeah.
very fruity.
Yeah, so this is like Cheerios. Also, we have a cream. Yes, come.
Okay, so
Yeah. Also, this smells very good. So,
it's like coconut.
yeah, so yes, I mix it with water and this is their food. Plus free. Just I have to take the seeds if I give them any...
So how much does that usually cost? Like for the food, like how much does it cost?
How much they cost? It's like 20 euro per kilo. The food,
Wow.
yeah.
So it's very expensive.
Yeah, like
okay.
this box is more than 60 euro.
Wow.
Yeah, it's 3 liters, 3 kilos, so it's more than 60 euro this box. Yes.
That's very expensive. So these dogs are so lovely. Amaia was a bit unsure by them, but they are very nice, aren't they, Isaac?
Yeah. And this one's a Licky.
Cookie and Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is the first baby they have.
Okay.
I keep it. And then this is Cookie. She's 4 months.
Oh, she's a baby.
Yeah, she's a baby. She's smaller than him. Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, you're eating.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh, what do we think, Amaia? They're as loud as you.
They're hungry. She's starting to, yeah. She's exciting. Yeah.
Hi.
Hey. Yes.
It's such a beautiful Cypriot home. I feel like I'm really experiencing how Cypriots live, and it's so nice. All these animals are so lovely as well. I'm going to find out how many she has because I've lost count, I'll be honest.
Oh, but plus he missed to play. Yeah, 8.5. I adopted him when he was 6.
So we were just speaking about how obviously you've got 20 cats, you've got 2 dogs, you've got 2 tortoises, you've got 4 parrots.
Yes.
What else have we got? That's everything now.
Yeah, for the moment.
For the moment.
Yes. I love to have more. I like to have a farm, you know, and to have all the kind of animals.
Oh, amazing.
Yes. I don't know if you... There is a place in Tortoise, a small chapel with a zoo. Have you been there?
No.
It's amazing.
So that's in Tortoise?
Yeah. It's a small chapel,
Okay.
and they make like a farm there. A lot of people visiting them, and they bring their children.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Okay, we'll
It's my
definitely
dream.
visit.
They have donkeys, cows, pigs, goats, all the kind of peacocks and goose and chickens. It's my dream.
And that's what you want?
Yeah, this is
Amazing.
This is what I want.
We need to get that for you then, don't we? We need to make sure you can get your farm.
This is what I want.
But you've got a lovely big outdoor space as well for it.
Yeah. Well, I have the piece of land. Just I'm missing the money to make the whole project. Yeah. So, but it's beautiful. Imagine to live in the, in the nature with your animals, to have your fresh, eggs. So it's amazing to have your own vegetables, your own fruit, everything.
Kiara was just saying that she wants to be self-sufficient, and her dream is to have all the animals, like this place that you can visit in Tortoise, at this little chapel where there's like all the animals there, and that's what she's aiming for. She just needs the money for the land, for the animals to live out there, and she'll do such an amazing job. This has been such a lovely experience so far. Like, we're going to have a little wander near the Famagusta ghost town in a few minutes. Sorry, that's baby Amaia screaming. But yeah, honestly, it's been such a lovely experience to come into a Cypriot home and experience how they live here in Cyprus. Easter is a very religious thing here as well, here in Cyprus. Everyone's very into the Easter. It's actually bigger than Christmas, apparently. So they do actually put like Easter themed Christmas trees out, and they celebrate it way more than they do at Christmas. So we're so excited to see how they celebrate Easter in the upcoming weeks. You saying hello? Hello.
You want this?
So we're gonna go for a walk to see what the ghost town looks like, Isaac.
Yeah.
we've just been for a little walk as well to where the Famagusta town is, and obviously not past it 'cause that's where the UN checkpoint is, but we've just looked over and it's sad to see it from like this angle, but it's also such a beautiful thing. Like she's so close to it. She can see everything from where she's staying. She's got the beach, you can see Kaparis where we're staying, and she can see Famagusta, which is like the Turkish side. Like there's just so much that she has in the Cypriot home, and then outside the Cypriot home, just so much to look at. She's made me a caramel iced coffee. Let's try this. It's a Cypriot way. Honestly, I am so happy. So Kiara has just brought me some homemade halloumi that she buys off her friend. So she told me that when we get back, pop it in the freezer, and we're going to try this out for tea tonight.
Yeah, this is the way we keep the halloumi. You see?
Wow.
And you take from there and wait. I'm gonna give you with you see with mint. You see the mint?
Wow.
This is ready to eat. It doesn't need to be in defrost.
Okay.
And this is one of our favorite with the watermelon.
Amazing.
This kind we call it the mature halloumi. This is the fresh. This is the mature.
Amazing.
Yeah. So that's
like a stronger halloumi. Okay.
And smell it. You will understand.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Very, very cheesy. Cannot wait to have some of that.
Original from the sea. We collecting. Yes.
So this is fresh sea salt from where to get it from?
From the beach.
The beach.
The rocky way. Yeah. It's gonna be the time. After, when there is thunder and the sea is wild and the water goes and stays in the rocks. After this sea salt with the sun becomes salt. You have to
you collect it?
You collect it, you totally clean it and dry it and you use it. It's very healthy, very good. And the olives, we make them. They are the green one.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Just some garlic,
So you keep all of your stuff in here?
Yeah. So this is homemade. Those are wild things. This is kapari. The wild kapari.
What's kapari?
I will give you some. You can put in the salad. It's like wild anguinara. How you say this?
Asparagus?
No, it's not asparagus.
I don't think we have these in the UK. Okay, it's not something that we have, but we'll try it.
It's a wild one.
Okay.
It's full of iron. So we'll put you some. You can use them in salad. This one the way they are because they are juicy. So just you can cut them in your salad, or you can just on the side with your food.
Amazing.
Yeah.
The cat is under there.
Okay, that's fine. You're having a great time, Isaac.
This is the best zoo I've ever been to, and you can see the dogs.
It must be marmalade, but I don't know which marmalade.
You made that many marmalades.
Strawberry.
Oh wow, that's really fresh.
Yeah. Okay. We have another one who is.
So mush mush is made out of what? Marmalade?
Yeah, and I make them all. So let me show you.
See, we don't have that fruit in the UK.
Yeah, it's gonna be. They are the first fruits we have. So next month, in a while, you're gonna see them in the market. They're very juicy and they have big seeds inside.
Amazing.
So mush mush, I'm calling it mush mush.
Mush mush.
It's from this, yes, and I love it with cheese also.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I already put you oil because this is the
mature halloumi.
You can use it like the others. I mean, like you can fry it, you can grill it.
Oh, you can have it cold, can't you, as well?
Yes. This is the
the beach salt, as we call it.
This is the good one.
Okay. At least from the market.
Yes. Halloumi. I don't know if there is any other cheese like this. You can use it like cheese in your sandwich.
I love halloumi. Yes,
yeah,
halloumi.
You can fry it for your breakfast. You can grill it. You can shred it like parmesan, or you can cut it cubes in your soup. You can cook it with. Yeah, we have one soup. Yeah, we have one soup. We make trahanas. I don't know if you know.
Trahanas? No, never heard of it.
It's with how you say this thing we make the bread. The seeds we make the bread. And milk. It's this thing.
What's this called?
So,
Bahana.
yeah. Or
Okay.
if you have a food processor, you can shred it and then you boil it with water.
So that's a Cypriot soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then also definitely cubes of halloumi inside. You cook it with this.
There we go.
Oh, but like, Maya. Say hi to mommy.
Hi.
Hi, mommy. Hela, Gabi.
Yay, Betty.
Hela, Nella. Hela, Amazon. Ne, Dada. Hela. Hela, Amazon. Ne, da. Yes. Ne. Put the cookie. Hela, cookie. Agapi. Sometimes they're calling me. Sometimes they're calling me my name or Agapi. What?
Gonna get your
Bite
fingers. Nom nom.
Look. What? What?
Bite me once, fool on you. Bite me twice, fool on me.
Yes, here is another place.
Olive oil from your tree.
I love the smell.
Oh wow.
Just I saw the bottle now and I remember.
You're too kind.
It's right on the back.
What are they doing?
They're making babies. I didn't know they come on the back.
That's what tortoises do.
They do. That's how they make babies. Yeah, they do.
That's
How many babies can you have?
2,500.
2,500. So now you're gonna have 2,500 tortoises
Okay, I'm
as
gonna
well.
give you some. Oh my gosh.
How's it get your hand up?
He can't breathe.
He can't breathe.
His head is stuck.
Batiha is my son's favorite cat. He's calling him Batiha, who Batiha means watermelon. He's not red, he's not green. I don't know why my son is calling him Batiha.
Nice to meet you, watermelon.
Yeah. You see the flowers I was telling you?
Oh,
You see how you can...
they're amazing.
What?
Yes.
How did you grow
Do you want
one?
to take one? with
Oh
you?
no, honestly, it's fine. Don't worry. You've already been kind enough.
Yeah, I
Hasn't
mean,
she?
you can take. It's not a problem.
No, it's fine, honestly.
This is the technical school.
Okay.
Yeah, it's for people they want to study jobs like the
Business.
hotels, yes, electrician and all these kind of things. And then we have the big high school, which is for the graduate for the last 3 grades.
Okay, so that's until they're 18.
Yeah. And we have 3 primary, 6 years primary, and then 3 and the 3 at the high school. Yes.
And then do you go to college once you finish school here? Is that?
For the girls, the boys they have to finish army and after.
Oh, so is it mandatory to go to the army?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now they're lucky because they're going just 1 year or 12 or 14 months. Before it was 2 years and 2 months.
Okay, so they go until they're 18 and then they have to go to the army for a year.
And then they can go to study to college or whatever they want. Yeah. Can I have a hug?
Of course you can.
Oh.
Thank you.
You have a good time? You're gonna be back to the Zuland? Okay, good.
Gonna see Harry and Harriet.
Yes, he's gonna say everything.
With the babies.
Yes, with the babies, yes. We don't know when we're going to have the babies. Yes, Harry and Harriet, they're going to have babies.
So the gang have just got back, and I have to say I'm very impressed with the yield that they have of all of the food and fresh produce from...
She gave us some Danish butter cookies. These are incredible. I am going to buy more of these from the supermarket. And she has gracefully given us all of these amazing homemade marmalades.
Wow.
There's different ones, and she's gave us some olive oil from her olive oil tree, which is mad. So excited.
That's incredible.
Look, more marmalades. This is like a strawberry like jam, which honestly, just smell it. It smells incredible.
Wow. I'm not just saying it, that did smell incredible. I know I say this all the time, but the Cypriots are genuinely the most friendly people I have ever come across, and I mean that wholeheartedly. They welcome you into their home and they treat you like they've known you since you were born. Just brilliant. Anyway, we hope we've given you a good insight into the Cypriot life and world, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Watch out for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.